prepare your Volvo L25 Electric for charging. Bring your machine close to suitable socket outlets of your mains and park the machine. Make sure the ignition key is in position 0. Check that the battery disconnect switch is in the on position. Make sure the handbrake is activated and that the rear hood remains closed during the whole charging time. Take the cable bag out from behind the seat. Always use a Volvo approved charging cable. First, connect the charging cable to the suitable socket outlet. Wait until the green LED lights up and the blue LED stabilizes on the box mounted on the cable. Remove the plug cover and connect the other end of the charging cable to the machine. Press the charging switch on the left inside the charging compartment. Close the charging compartment and lock it. This starts the charging of the machine and locks the plug to prevent it from being pulled out. The display will show the state of charge and the time remaining until fully charged. To interrupt or finish the charging, open the charging compartment and press the charging switch again. Disconnect the charging cable from the machine, put the cover back in place, and finally close the charging compartment again. The charging information on the display will disappear. Disconnect the other end of the cable from the mains and put it back in its storage bag.